President Biden is expected to issue an executive order just this week directing agencies across the government to study cryptocurrencies, develop a central bank digital currency, and come up with a government-wide strategy to regulate digital assets. Will the president's order result in a positive or negative impact in the cryptocurrency world? In this video, we'll be discussing some of the strategies that the president will be putting in place. So make sure that you stick to this video till the end to get some of the strategies that the Biden administration has planned for the president to give to the press. Hello Cavaliers of Crypto, and welcome to AB Crypto, where we take a simple approach to break down the latest and most educative topics about the cryptocurrency market. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _AB_crypto_, and if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. So let's get started. Now, according to the administration, they are focusing on some key takeaways. First, the Biden administration reportedly is preparing an executive order regarding all cryptocurrencies. The key goal of the order is to develop a coordinated policy response from all agencies and departments within the U.S. federal government and maintain U.S. leadership in the global economy. The order will be issued during this week, and the news about the order came a day after the Fed released a report on the pros and cons of creating a U.S. central bank digital currency. According to an administration official familiar with the matter, the forthcoming directive will commission a study of central bank digital currency and ask a range of agencies, including the Departments of Treasury, State, Justice, and Homeland Security, to develop a report on the future of money and payment systems. Meanwhile, the director of the Office of Science and Tech Policy will do a technical evaluation of what might be needed to support a CBDC system. The move came after it was reported that a rift has developed between the White House and Treasury over crypto regulation, but a Treasury official has disputed the account as inaccurate. The administration currently is engaged in a wide-ranging effort to regulate the sector, with the FBI forming a new crypto unit led by a seasoned computer crimes prosecutor. And so guys, you will have to believe us. From now on, things are going to be a little tougher, and you must be more cautious in order to maximize your security in the digital space. The Financial Stability Oversight Council, which was created after the 2008 financial crisis to monitor risk to the system, will be asked to study financial stability issues that arise from digital assets. As of speaking right now, the President's Working Group on Financial Markets has already tasked the Financial Stability Oversight Council with looking into the systematic risks of stablecoins. The order will also look at measures to protect consumers, investors, and businesses. The Treasury, in conjunction with the Securities and Exchange Commission, the Commodities Future and Trading Commission, and the federal banking agencies, will be in charge of developing that report to the president on how to protect against risks to cryptocurrencies. The FTC chairman and director will also be asked to look at privacy issues potentially created for digital assets. Also, the Office of Science and Technology Policy will submit a report to the president on digital distributed ledger technology within 180 days, with an update on DLT and its impacts on the environment in just 545 days. The government will also take a look at coordinating with other countries around the world to standardize rules for crypto. Therefore, the State Department, Treasury, Commerce Department, and USAID will work to create a framework for interagency international engagement with foreign counterparts in an international forum to enhance the adoption of digital assets and standardized rules. So, guys, Those are some of the strategies that the Biden administration is formulating for President Joe Biden to administer to the world when he issues this huge crypto order. And we want to hear your thoughts. What do you expect about the future of cryptocurrency when this order is finally issued? Discuss in the comments section below. Well, this brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video.